So how does Jonny Blockchain's decentralized trading robot work? Jonny Blockchain has a unique smart contract that's been deployed on the blockchain. This smart contract enables users of Jonny Blockchain to connect to MetaMask wallet. Let's say that you wanted to carry out a trade with USTD and Bitcoin. You would need to approve both of these cryptocurrencies with the smart contract and your MetaMask wallet. Let's say that you had USTD in your MetaMask wallet and you was trading with Bitcoin. Jonny Blockchain's robot would tell the smart contract that you wanted to buy Bitcoin. So the smart contract would take the USTD from your MetaMask wallet and take it over to PancakeSwap. It would then put in a buy order to buy Bitcoin. It would return the Bitcoin to your MetaMask wallet, just like you would be trading on PancakeSwap yourself. Let's say that the robot then identifies that there's been an increase in price in Bitcoin. The smart contract will take the Bitcoin from your wallet, take it over to PancakeSwap, exchange it for USTD, and then return the USTD to your wallet, making you a profit. Now, depending on how much you approve the smart contract for, Jonny Blockchain's smart contract could rinse and repeat this process time and time again, creating you a profit on every trade. Hopefully this video gives you a better understanding of how Jonny Blockchain's decentralized trading robot works. Happy trading.
Jonny Blockchain is a smart trading platform that uses AI-powered algorithms to trade the top cryptocurrencies for you, automatically. Here's why it stands out. No coding or experience needed. Your funds stay in your exchange or MetaMask wallet, never held by Jonny Blockchain. Trade 24 hours per day, 7 days a week, while you sleep or relax. Just $25 per year for unlimited bot setups. Setting up is simple. Just head over to Jonny Blockchain to create a free account. Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned trader, Jonny Blockchain gives you the edge to participate in crypto without the stress. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you learned something, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto content. Want to deep dive into another crypto topic? Let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay informed, stay ready, and stay tuned, and happy trading.